What's going on YouTube, man? We back here with a whole nother video, man. Harder and harder and harder than ever, man. So today, man, I'm about to get ready see these mugs right here. Yeah, we stepping outside the box today. About to put some rock lights on my truck. Well, y'all think it's rock lights. Some house switches on my truck. I'm about to really show y'all how to rig something up. About to put house switches on my truck. And I don't know, like I ain't really seen nobody really even do this shit. So, but y'all stay tuned for this video, for real.
Oh.
Y'all see the price on them? Oh, hold on. What's going on with it? I don't know what's going on. But anyway, how much you said it was, bro?
$384 a piece. We about to buy the whole store out.
$384 a piece. We're gonna show you how to put rock lights on your truck for how much? Probably about $4. $20
at the max.
$20, and y'all out here paying like $200, $300 for some lights. And look at that boy lazy.
You know you bad when you like this.
That boy lazy.
My leg.
Oh, that for some lights, bro.
Why is it dying?
But anyway, the reason why I'm doing this video is because I just want to show. It's a lot of young people out there asking me how how do you afford to build your truck, or how do you do this? So honestly, man, I'm doing this for a video just to show people that you can be creative, and to show people, man, that if you ain't really got the money to do this stuff, there's other ways out there, man, to go out here and build your build. So for real, I can't wait to show y'all.
Watch out, boys. Watch out, boys.
So what's going on YouTube? So we finally back here, got the lights here. So today, like I said, I was sitting here thinking, I was like, wow, you could really save money doing this. So to all the people who's doing this in the truck game, car game, or anything, and let's just say you in high school and you can't go spend all that money right now, or you just want to find a cheaper way to do this. All I'm saying is, okay, look at this. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, you have to probably, I ain't gonna lie, you might have to probably do this each and every time, or there might be a way you can wire this up. But what I'm saying is like I said, we're gonna try this out. We're gonna see how it works. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let's get this video to 1K likes. I'm sorry, it's a little dark out here. It's been a long day today, but we're gonna go ahead and get to it. And let's see what happens. And one more thing before we get started, I will say what I like about these things are, like I said, I just got it out the pack. Y'all can see here, it's out the pack now. Now now I'm gonna give y'all the flaws and the good things about this light. So the flaws about it is, which I noticed, that these things, the bats will fall off real easy. As you see, they take AAA batteries, but like I said, you're not gonna be running the lights probably until nighttime. So these right here should last you for a long time. Either way, the good thing about it is, or what I was gonna tell y'all is, it's a 3M tape. You don't have to run those screws, and it's also magnetic. So I mean, this could work for houses, all kind of stuff. So as y'all see right there, 3M tape. So let's go ahead and get to that part. You can put lights on your truck for cheap. All you gotta do is go to Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General. Like I said, the only flaw about it is the back keep flopping off. But you're not gonna be really running these lights like that in the daytime, not unless you just want to run them in the daytime. AAA batteries, but they will last for a long time, and they are also bright. For real, y'all need to check this out, for real. And you can also run 3M tape or put screws in it, but my advisory, 3M tape is kind of. So you have to run that 3M tape. I'll put that motherfucker right there. It's just gonna be kind of bright once I get in there. You know what I'm saying? breakfast again. I'm trying to tell you, $3 can do this to your car, your truck, 18-wheeler, motorcycles, all that. A house light can really do that for you. So y'all better go to Walmart right now. For real. As y'all see how these right here keep popping off, all you gotta do is just go get some double-sided tape. Get this here back in there first.
One big can soon.
Take this. I want to keep moving, man. This is crazy. This in here, wow. Alright, y'all, so as I can see right here, I got the double-sided tape ready. Let's get ready to put one on. So all you gotta do is go right up under here, right here. I'm thinking like right in here. See right there. Check it out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's one already on there, and that's just with the 3M tape and that one light right there. So we're gonna get ready to put the other one on. Then we're gonna get ready to back it out. We're gonna get a whole full look. And everybody out there, man, if you know what I'm saying, if you can't afford to get these lights, this and that, blah 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 blah. Like I said, just go to Walmart, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and you can do that right there.
Oh, what?
Look at that. Yes, sir. So you cut them on. It's just like a house. You wanna go? You know what I'm saying? You ain't got no light bill with this one either. You ain't got no light bill. Look how bright it is. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, sir. You ain't got no light bill with these lights.
Damn, where the fucking puncher guys?
Wheel lights bright. Yeah. Hey y'all, so we got the house lights, well, the rock lights. I really appreciate y'all for watching this video. Let's get this video to 1K likes. Let's keep it up going, man. And I really appreciate everybody showing love to the channel, for real, for real. And like I said, man, we dropping back to back to back to back to back, working hard. But like I said, if you can't really afford to wire no lights up, you really ain't got no time to wire no lights up, or you really in a rush, go to Walmart. They ain't nothing but like $3 and some change. You can get these lights done, and I got all that done for under $20. So for real, y'all keep showing love to the channel, man. Track out.